These aircraft once filled the skies during the world's greatest conflicts, and today they rest here preserving stories that should never be forgotten.
We are Joe and Esther. Come with us while we grab coffee and go to our next road trip destination. We love to travel and experience nature, even if it takes us to places unknown.
Tucked away in the rolling hills of Paso Robles, the Estrella Warbirds Museum is more than just a collection of aircraft. It's a place where history feels close enough to touch, where stories of courage, innovation, and sacrifice are preserved inside massive hangars and quiet display rooms. From the outside, it looks like an airfield frozen in time. But once you step inside, you quickly realize this museum tells much bigger stories than just machines. The heart of the museum is its incredible aircraft collection, featuring restored warbirds from World War II, the Korean War, and beyond. These planes once filled the skies during some of the most defining moments of the 20th century. Standing beneath their wings, it's impossible not to imagine the pilots who once climbed into these cockpits, facing missions that would change history, and often risking everything to do so. Every rivet, every panel, and every weathered detail feels like a reminder that these weren't just displays. They were once part of real battles and real lives. What makes Estrella Warbirds special is how close you can get to the aircraft. You are not separated by glass walls or distant barriers. Instead, you're able to see the craftsmanship up close, the tight spaces of the cockpits, the powerful engines, and even the hand-painted nose art that gave each aircraft its own personality. It's a powerful reminder that every machine was a human story, crews who depended on these aircraft and trusted them with their lives.
see this plane fly.
Really?
Yeah,
Where?
out of Moffett Field.
Moffett Field?
That's where it was stationed, Ames Research Center.
But this museum isn't just about what flew through the skies. Outside and throughout the hangars, you'll find an impressive collection of military vehicles, from tanks to transport trucks, showing what life looked like on the ground during wartime. These vehicles played a crucial role in moving troops, supplies, and equipment across dangerous terrain, often under enemy fire. Seeing them in person really puts in perspective how massive and complex wartime operations truly were. Beyond the aircraft and vehicles, the museum also houses smaller exhibits that tell deeply personal stories. Uniforms, letters, medals, and equipment help bring the human side of war into focus, reminding us that history isn't only shaped by battles, but by everyday people who live through them. These quiet exhibits often leave the strongest impression, showing the emotional cost behind the victories and the sacrifices that came with them. Another highlight of the museum is Freedom Hall, which features additional exhibits covering multiple eras of military history. From World War I to modern conflicts, these displays connect generations of service members, showing how technology and tactics evolve, but the bravery and commitment remain constant. It's a powerful space that helps bridge the past with the present. What really makes Estrella Warbirds Museum stand out is the atmosphere. There's a quiet respect that fills the hangars, not just admiration for the aircraft, but the appreciation for the people who built, maintained, and flew them. It's not about glorifying war, but about honoring service, innovation, and resilience. Visiting the Estrella Warbirds Museum is a reminder that history isn't something locked away in textbooks. It's something that still exists all around us, preserved through stories, artifacts, and the dedication of those who work to keep these memories alive. If you ever find yourself in Paso Robles, this is more than just a museum spot. It's an experience that connects you to the past in a powerful and unforgettable way. And as you walk away, it's hard not to feel grateful for the freedom we have today and for those who help protect it.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.